Welcome to our short tutorial on creating a captivating consignment website. In this video, we will define what a consignment website is, explain its benefits, and provide tips to make it attractive to potential users. So, let's get started. A consignment website is an online platform where individuals or businesses can sell their products on behalf of others. It acts as a middleman, connecting sellers and buyers, and providing a space for showcasing and promoting various items. Consignment websites offer several benefits for both sellers and buyers. For sellers, it provides an opportunity to reach a wider audience and sell their products without the need for their own e-commerce infrastructure. It reduces the hassle of inventory management and shipping logistics. On the other hand, buyers benefit from a diverse range of products available on the platform, often at competitive prices. To make your consignment website stand out and attract potential clients, here are some tips. 1. Intuitive design. Ensure your website has a clean and user-friendly interface. Make it easy for users to navigate, search for products, and contact sellers. Clear and attractive visuals can make a significant impact. 2. Mobile responsiveness. Optimize your website for mobile devices. With the increasing use of smartphones, it's crucial to provide a seamless experience for users browsing on their phones or tablets. 3. High-quality product images. Encourage sellers to provide high-resolution images of their products. Clear and visually appealing images can increase user engagement and drive sales. 4. Detailed product descriptions. Sellers should provide accurate and detailed descriptions of their products. Include essential information such as dimensions, materials, condition, and any unique features. This helps buyers make informed decisions. 5. Secure payment options. Offer secure and reliable payment methods to build trust with buyers. Incorporate popular payment gateways that ensure safe transactions. 6. Seller profiles and ratings. Implement a seller rating system to establish credibility and trustworthiness. Encourage sellers to build comprehensive profiles with information about their expertise and experience. 7. Social sharing. Integrate social media sharing options to allow users to share their favorite products with their networks. This can help increase exposure and attract more potential buyers. By following these tips, you can create an attractive and user-friendly consignment website that will capture the interest of potential clients. If you need assistance with website development, feel free to reach out to us through direct message. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful in your journey to create a captivating consignment website. Don't forget to reach out to us for any website development needs.